The Federal Territory Labor MP Damian Hale has criticised his own government for cutting funding for remote Indigenous students studying in Darwin. While opening a trades training school today, the member for Solomon faced appeals from staff for the funding to be reinstated.
Solomon MP Damian Hale was today tasting the fruits of the federal government's investment in trades training. Young master chefs were keen to show off to the local member as he opened the Cormilda College Training Centre.
Very nice.
Students have already started training in motor car mechanics, hospitality and childcare. Today the metalwork building was finished. Staff at Cormilda College have thanked the federal government for providing nearly half the money for these buildings with one hand. But they're asking the government to reverse its decision to remove funding for student services with the other. The government has cut money for remote Indigenous students studying in cities under a new national funding formula. Cormilda College says that's put a $600,000 hole in its budget.
We've had to let go 4 Indigenous support staff and we've had to be very cost effective with what we're doing in our programs out of class.
Damian Hale blasted a lack of understanding by Canberra bureaucrats and has asked his government to reverse the cut.
My big boarding schools in Solomon have been adversely affected by a change in departmental policy.
Damian Hale says if he's re-elected, he'll deliver 13 more trade training centres in the territory over 18 months. The Country Liberals Solomon candidate questioned that, but couldn't yet say what trade schools would be replaced with under Tony Abbott's plan to get rid of them.
We've got a plan for a good way to train apprentices, and we'll be releasing those details throughout the campaign.
Then she'll start the hard sell. Jane Barton, ABC News.